start there's my bicycle. There's my bicycle. We're back at the base of the Bellevue Way Clock Tower at the intersection of Northeast 6th Street and Bellevue Way Northeast in downtown, across from Bellevue Square. And it looks like it's just about 11:57-ish, almost 11:58, maybe even 11:59 even. And this clock is about to pull the midday. It's another look at the clock mechanism. Now, as far as I know, this clock tolls only on the hours. Tolls only on the hour. Here we go. Just about So that is the Bellevue Way clock tolling midday. Get a better look at the mechanism inside. Another look at the mechanism. So yeah, till next time, drive safely.